Alright, good morning, Shadows. We are in our last day of Varna, so per the usual, we're going to rush around and see the rest of everything, take some pictures, kind of chill. It's kind of a gloomy day, so hopefully it doesn't rain too much. Yeah, let's get going. Alright guys, so like I said, we're out and about to see some stuff. First thing up on the list is going to be the Roman thermi, the larger one. I think tour guide yesterday said it like only costs 5 lev, so it's not too bad. Get some cool pictures. I think I also want to go see the archaeological museum for sure, walk through the sea garden, and then also check out, there's like a aquarium for dolphins. See what I can see there. Take a little walk down the beach, although it's not going to be a beach day because clearly there is no sun. Yeah, so that's kind of the game plan for today. Unless anything changes, at some point we'll have lunch. And then this is actually not only my last day in Varna, but my technical last full day in Bulgaria. So of course tonight I'll give you my rundown on what I think of Varna as well as Bulgaria, and then tomorrow morning we get up early and move on to Romania. Kind of stoked about that. Sad I'll be leaving Bulgaria, but I'll be back. Alright guys, so we were in the Roman thermi. It was 5 lev to get in, so not too bad. That'd equate to like $2.50 basically for American dollars. This is, if I remember what the tour guide said yesterday, this is the 3rd largest Roman thermi in Europe. You can see them all over the place, but this is the 3rd largest. So let's see what we can see. Alright guys, so it takes about maybe 20 minutes. It's kind of cool, really like to stand in there and see like the height and everything. Definitely check it out. It, like I said, it's 5 lev, takes maybe 20 minutes, so it's pretty cool. So now I think it's on to the archaeological museum. It's kind of drizzly, so I don't know how much of beach we'll get to see, but the sea garden should be fine because there's plenty of trees and coverage and everything. So let's get going. Alright guys, so the rain isn't too bad, it's just kind of like a light drizzle. Hopefully that's the way it stays. On the way I got lost. Varna is not as easy as Burgas to kind of travel through and just take side streets. It's like the 2nd time I've gotten lost. So we're on our way to the archaeological museum. Alright guys, so found the archaeological museum. I'm pretty positive, per the usual, I'm not going to be allowed to take you guys in there. I might be able to take pictures, but that I'll have to wait and see. Some are yes and some are no. So I'm going to put you guys up and then we'll talk about what I see when I come out. I don't even know how much it costs to get in, so I'm going to assume 5 lev, maybe a little more. It looks like a pretty big building, but I'm sure all of it is not museum. That's kind of the gist of what goes on. And then once we're done here, depending on what the weather is like when I get out, we will head to the sea garden, hopefully do the dolphin thing, although it's raining harder, so that might not happen. Alright guys, here we go. So made it back to the hostel, a little bit soaked, a little bit wet, but all in all pretty good. Let's real quick give you a recap of what I think of Varna. So Varna was pretty cool. I wish the weather had been better so I could get a little time down at the beach. But other than that, really pretty. I still think I kind of like the Burgos Sea Garden better than I do Varna's, but it was still pretty. Really inexpensive, a lot of really great stuff to see. I highly recommend the free walking tour. Very informative, probably the best walking tour I've had the whole time in Bulgaria. And then that's pretty much my take on Varna. Like, it's not as easy to navigate, but super beautiful and a lot of great like old buildings and architecture. Bulgaria, now on the other hand, I'm gonna miss it. It's a wonderful country with really, really nice people, beautiful things to see, a lot of history, a lot of culture and art, and I will definitely be back, and I really, really implore you guys, come see Bulgaria. It is absolutely amazing. So that is where I'm going to leave this vlog. Tomorrow we head out for Bucharest and Romania, and so let me know in the comments below, guys, if you guys liked the Bulgarian Diaries, if now Bulgaria is on your list of must-see countries. And I will catch you tomorrow. Until the next video, safe journey.